Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We are on to question 4.2.3 of the 2017 Maths Lit Paper 1. And this question is data handling from a bar chart. So the first question asks us, determine from the graph, which I've pasted down over here, the mean average plastic surgery procedures conducted per 1,000 people. So they're asking us for the mean average, which is the total of each data point. So we need to sum up each data point. So we can see they've told us each data point on each bar of the graph. We need to sum these values up and divide it by the number of data points. So the number of data points is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for this question, it's going to be 4.2.3. So as I said, we need to find the total or slash the sum of the data, which is going to equal 7,6 for Venezuela plus 7,4 plus 6,0 plus 4,6, that's for the US, plus another 4,6 for Spain, plus 4,3, plus 4,0, I'm going to the next line here, plus 3,1 for Italy, plus Argentina's, which is 2,9, and finally Iran plus 1,5. So put all of this into your calculator and you get that it sums up to 46. Okay, so then therefore your mean equals your total divided by the number of points, and we said that the number of points is 10, so it's going to be 46. Sorry, it's not 4,6. 46 divided by 10, put that in your calculator and you get that it equals to 4,6 per 1,000 people. And that's your mean. Okay. And then the next question is 4.2.4. Question A asks us, state the type of graph depicted on the previous page. So as I said, I've pasted the graph in, and I've said multiple times that this is a bar chart. You can see there are bar or horizontal bars. So this is a bar chart, or a bar graph will be accepted. So the type of graph, it is a bar graph. Okay, for then B, it then asks us, explain the difference between continuous and discrete data. So discrete data can take particular values, whereas continuous data is restricted or defined to separate values. So what this means is discrete data are particular values. So for example, in this graph, we can see that for Venezuela, it's a particular value. It's not, and it's separated from Brazil. So there are particular categories where something like, say, the length of students, or something where you can form a continuous line graph is something that's continuous. So as the answer here, the best way to describe it is discrete data can only take particular data points. So, okay, and then whereas, so they want to know the difference between continuous, whereas continuous data is not restricted to separate values. Okay, so you can see in this graph there are separate values, so it's Venezuela, Brazil, Colombia, USA. They're separated, where continuous data is not categorized into these different value sets. And then finally on to question C. It says state whether the data shown in the graph is discrete or continuous. So as I said, it is discrete because there are different categories of data that is being plotted. So for C, the answer is discrete. Before I go, I just want to give a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.